Good PM. Today is March 15, 2024 Friday, and here are the 3 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Sorry 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, March 15, 2024. Here are the SL Sorry 3 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Friday, March 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for March 15, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.